all, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is lamb kabsa. It's an authentic Arabian rice dish. It is full of flavors and super tasty rice. I hope you all like it. Watch the video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. First, I've taken 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash it well and soak the rice for about 15 to 20 minutes. And let's make the kabsa spice mix. This is what you need. Dry roast these spices in the pan and grind them into a smooth powder. Heat the pan. Add 1 tablespoon butter or ghee. And then add oil. Now add bay leaves and cinnamon sticks, cardamoms and cloves. And now we'll add the onions. I've taken 2 large sized onions. Fry the onion till golden brown. Now the onions are perfectly done. Add the lamb pieces. The pieces should be large in size. Toss it for a while. Add the spices, salt, three teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of pepper, one teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. And finally, half teaspoon of white pepper. Mix it well. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Add the tomato puree. Blanch the tomatoes and blend them. And then add 1 cup water. Close the lid and cook for about 45 minutes. Or if you want to quick this process, you can use the pressure cooker. Keep until 4 to 5 whistles. And the meat is well cooked now. Add 2 tablespoons of Kabsa spice powder and 1 large potato and coriander leaves. And now we'll add the rice. For 2 cups of rice, add 1.5 cups of water and cook them for about 15 minutes in medium flame. And the rice, it's perfectly done now. The flavorful, delicious kabsa is ready now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.